Everybody, welcome to this class. In this class, we will study about LCF ladder. It is third example of LCF ladder, and it is more complicated as compared to first two examples. Here we have to solve some complicated situations. In this question, this is the scenario. If a customer consume 100 units, he have to pay 80 paisa per unit. But the one more thing is this: if unit consumed by the customer is 100 to 200, in that case he will pay 1 rupees per unit, but only for those units which are over 100. Below 100 unit will be charged by same 80 paisa per unit. And same situation will be over there. If a customer consume more than 200 units, then he will pay 1 rupees 25 paisa per unit, but for those units which are greater than 200 units. And the units which are less than 200, for this payment will be charged according to these format. So how we will solve this problem? For this we will make a program. First of all, I will import a package util for scanner class. Now I will take a class example 3. Now I will make an object of scanner class. And first of all, we will ask the user to enter unit consumed. Enter unit consumed. Now we will apply condition if units greater than equals to 1 and units less than equals to 100. In that case, charges will be, we have to take one more variable, charges, and charges will be units into 0.80, 80 paisa per unit. For second situation, if units is greater than equals to 101 and units less than equals to 200, in that case charges will be as per given slab. According to this slab, for first 100 unit it will be same 0.80, and for rest of the unit 100 minus unit minus 100 into 1 rupees. So what is the situation here? Suppose I enter 150 unit. In that case, according to this program, for first 100 unit the charges will be 0.80, but after 100 unit the 50 unit which will left, like this, the charges will be 1 rupees. So same thing I did here. For 100 units it will be 0.80, but after reducing 100 unit the rest of the unit will be charged by 1 rupees. Same situation will be in next case where unit is greater than 200. In this case charges will be like this. For first 100 unit charges will be same. For next 100 unit it will be 1 rupees for this situation, and after that we will deduct these 200 unit and the rest of unit will be charged by 1 rupees 25 paisa. We can take an example. Suppose units are 250 that I entered. So calculation will be like this: first 100 unit will be multiplied by 80 rupees 80 paisa, next 100 unit will be multiplied by 1, and rest of the unit 250 minus 200 will be charged by 1 rupees 25 paisa. Calculation will be performed like this, and finally we will print the total bill, or we can say charges. To see it practically, first of all we have to save this program. My computer C drive JDK bin will save this program as example third. Example third.java. Open command prompt, go to root directory, open JDK and bin folder, compile this program by Javek with class name .java and run this program. Now we have to enter. There are 3 cases, so one by one I will explain all the cases. In first case I will enter 100 unit. So for this 80 rupees, because 100 unit will come in this range. Next, if I enter 150, for that will be 130, because 150 will come in this range. And here for first 100 unit charges will be 80 paisa, and after that, after 100, the rest of the 50 unit will be charged by 1 rupees. We can look here, 100 into 80 and 150 minus 100, that will be 50, will be multiplied by 1. So it will generate 80 rupees, and it will generate 50 into 1, 50 rupees, that will be 130. So it is result. In third case, if we enter 250 units, then charges will be like this. We can calculate here. For first 100 unit into 80, it will be 80 rupees. Next 100 into 1, it will be 100 rupees, and 250 minus 200 will be left 50, and 50 will multiply by 125, it will be 62 rupees 50 paisa. Sorry, it will be 62 rupees 50 paisa, and total will be 180 242 rupees 50 paisa. So like this it will generate output, and we can look here, these are the output. So it is the third example of Algebra ladder. If you have some problem or difficulty in it, you can ask me through comment, and if it is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel to see more videos related to this topic, and to study theoretical concept of all these topics. You can visit my blog. Link of that blog is present in under this video's description. If you want to study all these video in Hindi, so that is also possible. You can study all these material in Hindi on my second channel. Link of that channel is also present under all my videos description, and link of all topics of a chapter also present under the description. You can study all the topics of a chapter from those videos. Still then, if you have any problem or if you have any suggestion, you can give me that suggestion, and thanks for watching.